From the command center, we can head over to the content engine and click on blog and content. All of the blog articles that our AI team of personas have created are here. There are quite a few of them. They're all optimized. They can be sorted between published, scheduled, drafts, and so on. If we take a look at the published drafts or the published articles in the AI Showcase category, we'll see here we have several published articles. This one is interesting. It's the Margin Advisor. And this is where we can see the content of the blog post. We can see that the social messaging is already ready. It's there and prepared. We can click on edit and edit the title, the slug. We can also move it from one category to another. We can generate custom bubble messages for the chat bubble on the bottom of the page. We have full control over the content that we're publishing. If we take a look at the SEO and metadata, we have an image, which is the exact persona who is working on this. So this person's role is the Margin Advisor. And you can see here that we have the meta title, we have the description, we have the keywords, and then we have, and these keywords are obviously selected because we're not just randomly targeting or working on SEO for random keywords, but we're being very specific. The social channel content here, we have a video that we can produce, we can reproduce. We can have any one of the team members narrate in their own voice. We have 3 different types of images for social channels, like the hook, the clarity, and the invitation. We have more copy for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. And if we head over to images, we'll see here that we can choose a very specific persona. So in this example, we're working with the identity anchor for the Margin Advisor. So that's why this specific person is in this specific image. We can generate the alt text so that the image is optimized. Nothing is missing. We have more automated social images, and we have a whole library of images that we've already produced. And if we finally go to the Learning tab, you'll see here that we can choose to have this article narrated by any of our agent personas. And they all have unique voices and accents and so on. And we can change this. We can regenerate the audio. We have the language analysis. We have translations, so non-native speakers can easily understand what the message is. We have vocabulary. We have all of the language functionality that's offered. And if we head over to take a look at the front end of this blog post, you'll see it in just a second. So this specific blog post is about behind the build, and this is what it looks like. This is
deconstructs the math
and so on. Then we have some example content here, so the language analysis, for example, and so on. If we take a look at a different type of post, actually I forgot to mention that when we're in this content hub, just go back to published, back to showcase, and this is here. We click on this. You see here that we can also automatically generate a fully customized PDF that we can share with our users. So if we go back and look for a different category, so I go to blog, published. Let's take a look at Sophie, for example. Here's a blog post with Sophie, which has a video demo. So again, same thing. This is the content. We can easily review it. We have Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter copy, or X. We have the generate PDF also for this one. So again, very, very detailed, high quality, and very useful for the users. So if we click on edit here, we'll see here that we don't have a featured demo on this one. I rehearsed my stand-up with Sophie, so we're going to choose the handling Q&A after presentation. And everything else is good. can save this, and I'll show you what this looks like on the front end. So we're on the Fluency blog post, and this is it. This is the blog post, Rehearse My Stand-Up. It's narrated by our head of quality management systems. And again, you can see all of the wonderful content that's really helpful for users. And this is just one of the things that we can do within our business development command center.